Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. So this is Unité 3, leçon M. And in this lesson we'll discover this parce que form. So parce que means because, okay, and it's really useful. So we'll see how to use it, okay. So parce que here. So the first use of parce que is when you want to introduce the reason. Okay, so we've got two examples here. Il ne mange pas tout de suite. Okay, so here you've got the negative form, remember, ne, and then pas. Manger means to eat. Il ne mange pas, so he doesn't eat. Tout de suite, well, basically it means right now. Parce qu'il, okay, préfère attendre. So in that case, because he prefers to wait. Il préfère attendre. Okay? Préférer, to prefer. And then here you can see that attendre is to wait. Second verb, okay? And then you should put it like here at the infinitive form, so the basic form of the verb, okay? Il ne mange pas tout de suite parce qu'il préfère attendre. Okay? Second example, nous allons dehors. Aller is to go, dehors, outside. Nous allons dehors, so we go outside. Parce que, so because, nous voulons marcher. Vouloir, to want, marcher, to walk. Nous voulons marcher, we want to walk. Okay? Nous allons dehors parce que nous voulons marcher. Okay? And then the second option to use this parce que is when you want to introduce the cause, la cause. Okay? Example here. Il prend son parapluie. Parapluie, umbrella. Prendre is to take. Il prend son, his. So he's taking his umbrella. Il prend son parapluie parce qu'il pleut. Pleuvoir, to rain. It rains, il pleut. Il prend son parapluie parce qu'il pleut. Okay? And then, second example. Il appelle le garagiste parce que sa voiture ne démarre pas. Okay? Appeler is to call. Garagiste is this nice person that will fix your car if it's broken or if it doesn't start, like in this example. Okay? Parce que sa voiture, voiture is car, sa voiture, possessive, his car, and then ne pas, so you get the negative form here, and démarrer is to start. Il appelle le garagiste parce que sa voiture ne démarre pas. So because his car doesn't start, okay? Il appelle le garagiste parce que sa voiture ne démarre pas. All right? So you can see the two main way of using this parce que. So the first one, the reason. In that case, well, it's something that refers to the person, okay? Actually, in that case, he doesn't eat because he prefers to wait, and then we go outside because we want, okay? And then the second possibility, when you talking about la cause, in that case, something that doesn't really, it's not the results of what someone is doing, but it's raining in that case, and then the car doesn't start. It doesn't really, it's not the result of the action of someone, okay? So that's the two main use of parce que, okay? I hope it was clear, and it was leçon M, so check out for the next lesson on YouTube, and it's Imagier, the name of the channel, and then the website is here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.